Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making lasagna stuffed shells in the Ninja Foodi. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my Ninja Foodi and I have a box of jumbo shells. This is a 12-ounce box. We're going to get them into the Ninja Foodi to get them cooked. I'm just going to place them down in here. Alright, now I'm going to add in a little bit of salt to season our shells. I'm going to go for about 2 teaspoons. And I'm going to add in some water. I'm going to add in just enough water to cover the shells. I need to get a little more water, guys. Alright, that's looking good. I'd say a rough estimate that's about 10 cups of water, 8 to 10 cups. Just enough to cover your shells, guys. And I'm going to put my pressure cooker lid on here. Set it to seal. I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 5 minutes. After the 5 minutes are up, I'm going to do a quick release of the pressure. Alright guys, while I'm waiting for my shells to pressure cook, we're going to make the stuffing for in the shells. Now I have a 15-ounce container of ricotta cheese. I'm going to get that in a bowl here. And I'm going to add 2 eggs into the ricotta cheese. And try not to get any shells in there. Nobody needs the extra fiber that way. Alright, now I'm going to give this a stir to get the eggs and the ricotta cheese blended up. And what this is going to do, this is going to make that ricotta cheese creamier and easier to work with. Okay guys, now that I have almost all my ricotta cheese and eggs blended together, I'm going to put in the rest of my ingredients. I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. That's what I have left. I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of oregano. I'm going to add in some grated Parmesan cheese, and we don't want that one, that's green. Get this open. That one was tucked back in the back of the fridge, and it's not past the expiration date, so I don't know. Maybe it just has its Halloween costume on. Okay, now I'm going to add in some fresh grated Parmesan cheese. I'm going to go for about 1/4 cup. And then I have some Italian style cheese. You can also get mozzarella, but the Italian style has all that good stuff in it. I'm going to add some of that in there. Just about a cup. Guys, my apologies, my camera went dead. Now that I have this all mixed together, I'm going to put this in the fridge and let it keep on hold while we move on to the next step. Okay guys, I took my shells out, I drained them and I rinsed them under some cool water to keep them from cooking and sticking together. Now I have this set on a saute setting. I wiped it out with a paper towel quick. I'm going to take some ground beef and I'm going to use about a pound or so of ground beef I'm going to add in here. That's probably a little over a pound. Now I have 1 small onion I diced up. That's going in. Grab my spoon. And I'm going to add in some garlic. I'm using the already jarred garlic. Let me grab a spoon here, guys. You already minced up stuff in a jar. You use like 2 healthy cloves of garlic. I'm going for about 2 teaspoons. I'm going to go ahead and saute this ground beef in here, and if there's any excess grease on it, I'll drain it off because we're going to mix this in with that ricotta cheese mixture. Alright guys, now that my ground beef's done, I mix it in with that ricotta cheese mixture. It's going to be the stuffing for our shells. I'm going to take a little bit of marinara sauce and dump it on the bottom of my Ninja Foodi. You don't need to rinse it out. A little bit of hamburger in there is not going to hurt nothing. I had to drain that ground beef. I'm going to take my shells that I cooked. We're going to go ahead and stuff them full of the meat mixture. And I'm going to place them down into the Ninja Foodi. Now guys, I won't keep you here while I'm stuffing all 20 or 25 of them. I'll bring it back. Alright guys, I put 1 layer in here and I put some more sauce on and some more cheese. Now we're going to finish up this layer. Now I have a lot of pasta left. Don't get rid of that, guys. Throw that right in the pot, because that's good eaten by itself. Just going to layer them in there. And I'm going to add more sauce in there. I'm just going to dump the rest of it in there, guys. Down over the pasta. And then I'm going to add in more cheese. Let me dry my hand quick. Some more of our Italian blend cheese. And we're going to go pretty generous on this, guys. And then a little more of our ricotta cheese. And guys, this is going to be yummy. Alright, I'm going to close down my air fryer lid. I'm going to turn this on. And I'm going to set this to air crisp. It's at 390. We'll leave it there. And I'm going to give it 10 minutes. That should heat the pasta through and give that a nice golden brown on top. Alright guys, this is done. It only took 7 minutes. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I went ahead and added some parsley for some extra color. Let me get in here and give this a try, guys. That's really good. Well seasoned, cheesy, tastes like lasagna. Alright, there you have it. Lasagna stuffed shells in the Ninja Foodi. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.